Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got the trailer in the background there fully built. We're going to be doing the mods on this trailer, so stay tuned and I'll walk you through each mod. Got about 12 different mods we'll be doing.
Alright guys, it's time to lay out these guys. I'm going to put them across this rail here. Probably 3 in the front and maybe 2 in the back. I don't know, I'll lay them out to where it looks even, probably somewhere around 1 foot apart, just so I have plenty of spots to tie down. So let's get that laid out and ground down and start welding them on. Alright guys, so I got all those welded on and painted on the one side. I just got to flip them up and paint the bottom side. I'll let these dry and do that later. So I got them all the way around on both sides. I do need to come back and put in a few across the front, but for now I think it's good. So just gonna go ahead and button it up for the night and start in on another day. Thanks guys for watching.